How you doing, my friends? My name is Vincio from Mac and PC Wireless, and in today's video we have this beautiful computer. It's a MacBook Pro 2017, 15 inches. The reason that this computer checked in, the customer spilled some liquid on top of the keyboard, and immediately she turned it off and bring it to us. If you have a problem like this, that's the same thing you need to do. Please do not plug into the outlet to prevent further damage to the logic board. As you know, electricity, it's really goes around the computer. If you spill any liquid, it's electric conductor, so you might probably damage and make it worse for us to repair. So follow me. I'm gonna take it down this computer, troubleshoot to see if any liquid got into the logic board and whatnot. With that being said, stay tuned. So far I don't see any signs of damage, even though that we have something here. We got this connector with different color, which is not supposed to. It's missing a screw, and this computer doesn't look like that's being worked on before, but also is missing the protector for the battery. So the next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take the logic board out in order to inspect from the other side of the board. As the customer mentioned, that she spilled the liquid on top of the keyboard, so I'm assuming that could be something underneath, because I don't see nothing on top of this case. So we already removed the whole screws of the logic board. Gently, now we can remove it from the shell. First thing is just make sure that you already remove a single screw in order to pull this out of the case. I don't see any. Nothing is safer to remove it. So try to be gentle. And okay, now we got it. We're gonna see the board. You have any damage? Now we're gonna see the board. Here it's not. Oh, here it is, right here. Stood is wet. I don't know if the camera will able to catch this one, but this part of it, stood is wet. So the customer did the right thing. Do not power up a computer when you got liquid into it, okay? The first thing is just bring it to a repair shop, to a professional to inspect your computer. This could be costing you a lot of money if you try to dry it. Just don't do it. Don't do it at all. Damage was too obvious. You know, the liquid got into this part. So what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna measure all the components around. See, the first I'm gonna see how much damage the liquid had into this board, and once we do that, I see corrosion here. Few connectors that might need to be replaced. Nothing major. So we're gonna grab a thing. Yes, it's already set up. Supposedly when we touch it. So this guy's in storage, so that's the one needs to be replaced. We got the donator board for this guy, and we're gonna get it going. One, we got two. So I replaced the two parts that needs to be replaced on this board. Now the other thing is just I'm gonna clean it really good and just hope that the computer powers up and everything. I'm gonna test it now. So as you see, we already got the board. We replaced some components in the side of it. Now what we can do is that we're gonna get one of the USB ports. Yeah, the port that looks okay. What we're gonna do is part of the board. So now we're gonna test it. This is my meter. We're gonna connect it to the USB ports. We got the 9 voltage, we got 20 voltage, 4.1, and it's going up. Now the system is rebooting. Yes, we got 27 voltage. The computer actually it's booting. It means that the repair it's been successfully. So the only thing now left is to put it back into the shell and finish the process. Make sure that the keyboard's working fine. The charging gets it's getting charged the battery. I think that's about it. Once again, this is my recommendation. If by any chance you spilled anything into your computer, please just do not plug it to the electrical. You know how much time you will save me to repair your computer in case that happens? It is a lot of difference. Some customers, what they do is that they connected the computer to the outlet, they shorted the board, and it's more harder because now you created some explosion, burning in the board. It might be a lot of potential damage to your computer, which can cost you a lot of money to repair. So what I like to do before is that I don't assemble the whole thing. What I like to do is just put the basics so I can continue with the troubleshooting. Even though that we know that computer is actually getting powered, but you don't want to go through the hassle that putting it back, the whole the screws, and then you test it and something went wrong. You have to disassemble the whole thing again. So I got the connector, got USB, got the power, got pretty much everything in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pipe right open the screen, make sure I got coming back with the connector. And just hold on. As you see, it's getting powered. CPU fans turn on. And yes. So as you see, we got the screen. The computer actually, it's powered on. It's a good sign. And the rest of it is just, I'm just going to assemble it back in. Thank you for watching. If you have this type of problem, do not hesitate to come by to Mac and PC Wireless, and I'm sure we can help you.